Hey everybody, I'm Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. So this is just going to be a quick unboxing video of these Form swim goggles. These have the heads-up display built into them. They look really cool. There's a link in the description where you can find them. Be sure and like and subscribe to my channel. Let's get to the video. Let's check it out. Unboxing the Form swim goggles with the smart display. Let's check it out. Very nicely packaged. Instructions there, getting started. Really nice case. Charging cable right there. Alright, so that is everything in the box for the Form swim goggles with a heads-up display. You've got a mounting clip here. You've got your charging cable right here. You've got all your nose bridge replacements right here, different sizes. Small up to extra large bridges, so you've got 6 of them right there. You've got a high nose bridge as well. You've got your actual goggles with a display right there in a very nice carrying case, and you've got your instructions right there. These goggles are remarkably lightweight. They do have the buttons on the bottom. They've got buttons on the side here, it looks like. Alright, so for all of you avid swimmers out there, these are running about $228 on Amazon.com. There's a link in the description where you can find these things. So there will be a follow-up full-on review video on these things. I am also an avid swimmer. Love to check these out, so I can't wait to put these on and just see how they do in the water. So hopefully this video is really helpful for you. Be sure and leave a comment. Also be sure and check out in the description where you can find a pair of these goggles for yourself. Like and subscribe to my channel. Check out these other videos I've got going on, and I'll catch you guys later.